Hey, 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 hey! Welcome back, family, to another easy recipe from Moa. So today we are going to make some kebab. This will be the easiest and tasty kebab. So I have here some gizzards and some onions that I cut into squares to fit the kebab sticks, and then we'll be using some cut bell peppers, and I cut that into squares too, so just the green and yellow and whatever colors, and then some onions. We have here some ginger, garlic, and peppers, and then we'll use some powdered pepper and some coating spices. So I have here some Maggi, and then we'll use some other seasonings, some salt, some Maggi too for the steaming of the gizzard, and some oil spray. You can use any oil of your choice, and some Cajun my friend made for me from Ghana. And friends, let's start cooking. Oh, my kebab sticks, guys. No kebab without kebab sticks. Use kebab sticks, guys. And let's start cooking.
So our gizzard, it's all done. So we are just going to go ahead and transfer this into a bowl. So we are going to make our kebab powder. So we need some hot pepper, and then we will need some cube that we are going to just crush up and put in here. And then we will need some mixed seasoning powder of your choice. So just go ahead and pour this in here. And then we have here some garlic. So take the garlic, and then we'll put the garlic in here, and then we'll just crush this up. So here's my old one. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my old one to it, so I get a lot of it. And this is the coat for my kebab.
So, family, as we are arranging our kebabs on our sticks, let me remind you that if today is your first time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Thank you so much for cooking with me. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to subscribe. And I will be posting every week, and I'll be sharing new and sweet, delicious recipes. Thank you.
And then this is going to go into the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Yay! Okay guys, so look at this. I love this. Just check this out. I look at 2 of this. Ooh, so spicy.
Try this at home and let me know down the comment below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.